Some phones follow trends, but this one, it flips the future. Bigger, bolder. A 6.85-inch foldable display that moves as fast as you do at 120 Hz for ultra-smooth scrolling and gameplay. A cover display that's not just an afterthought, but an extension of your world. 4 inches, 120 Hz, color-coded to match your style. Slimmer than ever, just 13.5 millimeters when folded. A design that fits your life effortlessly. At its core, a next-generation Exynos 2500 chipset. Blazing fast performance, 16 gigabytes of RAM, up to 1 terabyte of storage. Power that never holds you back. AI that speaks every language. Real-time call translation. No apps needed. A camera that disappears until the moment you need it. Under display. Seamless. Hidden technology at its finest. A dual lens system engineered for brilliance. Crystal clear 4K video. Unmatched night photography. And AI-powered enhancements for every shot. A battery that's built to last. 4,000 milliamp hours of all-day endurance. Fast charging when you need a boost. AI that adapts to your world. Predictive responses. Smarter apps. A phone that learns, so you don't have to. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. Flip the script